Hey, guys! Today, let's turn to fix Facebook error. This page isn't available right now, so whenever you guys launch the Facebook applications, and you experience this issue, that this specific page is unavailable right now. Whenever you try to go ahead and locate a specific, let's say notification that you received. So in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step, just how to basically fix this issue. So please watch this video until the end, to find out how. Alright guys, so what we can do in order to solve this issue, is to make sure that the problem is not with us. Most of the time, that whenever you tap on a specific notification and shows that this page isn't available right now, it may be because that specific person or the specific notification post has been deleted. It has been taken down by Facebook or your session might have expired. So if in the case that the person deleted a post or Facebook has taken down the post, you can't really do anything more about that, since of course, it's on their end and not yours. Now, if you're still experiencing some issues with your session has expired, just go ahead and try to log back in again, and that should solve your issue. And one more quick thing we could also do in order to solve this issue is to actually try to double check our internet connection and see if we have a stable internet connection with our Wi-Fi. Now, doing this will ensure that, of course, bugs like this would be fixed, and we are gonna have the most vast user experience possible. You could also try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better for you. And one last thing that we could also do is to make sure that our Facebook applications is updated to the latest version. So go ahead and launch the App Store and search for Facebook and make sure that you have the latest version of Facebook, so that bugs like this would be fixed, and you're gonna have the best user experience as well. Now, if you do have an update available, I would like you guys to proceed with updating your applications to the latest version. Basically, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.